दरवाजा खोल देना. 6 o'clock in the morning, and I had to wake up my watchman. So today I am riding to Lonavala just to check on the. So today I am riding to Lonavala. Today I am riding to Lonavala because next week there is an food event, so I need to check an open ground, plus I need to check with Sai River Resort. If everything is fine, then we can have it. So let's reach Kharghar. So everyone is waiting for me. So today I don't need to fuel it up because it's already been done. So it's still 6 o'clock and it is still cold. So right now I am on Palm Beach Road. Tanay and Aman are waiting at Kharghar. Let's reach. So the reaching time is 6:30 a.m. and it's now 6:20 a.m. So I have 10 minutes to reach Kharghar. Let's reach there as soon as possible. So I don't know why that road is closed. I have reached Kharghar and it's time 6:33. Let's see where is Tanay and Aman waiting. So they are here. Started a journey. That's Aman on Impulse and Tanay on Tiger. So I'm riding slow right now because I have a wrong visor and I am unable to see the roads. So mercury visors are not recommended during the night or in the morning time. I forgot to change my visor, so I have to ride it slowly. Yeah, so today is the first ride on my Triumph after the service and the problem that was there. So I had to replace my battery to Yuasa as it was earlier with Excite, and the clutch cable was also broken from some parts, so the mechanic recommended to change it, and then I had to get the tuning done after everything was installed. So right now when I'm riding Triumph Street Triple, I can feel the difference from the earlier one which I was riding. So it's the same bike, it's just been retuned. So total expense was 14,000 approximately. That's because the major part was battery, so the tuning and the labor work was not that much. riding jacket with inners. So this part of the road is the best part. हाँ सुनाई दे रहा है मेरे को सिर्फ मेरे को तो विजिबिलिटी नहीं है वाइजर के जैसे। आज टेस्ट करते कि कितना दूर तक ये बात कर सकते हैं अपन। सुनाई दे रहा है क्या साइलेंसर का आवाज? क्या हो गया? So Aman Impulse is giving some problem in this weather. So the power drop is there. He is not able to get the power from Impulse. I guess it is because of the air filter. Let's see. So we are riding slow and you can see how foggy it is. तने आवाज आ रहा है कैमरा ऑन है। अच्छा हाँ इधर आगे वो एरोप्लेन आता है ना, इधर एक लेफ्ट में एरोप्लेन आता है ना, चाहिए तो उधर रुक के फोटो शूट करके फिर निकलेंगे, तब तक इम्पल्स भी ठीक हो जाएगा। कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा आगे तो। हाँ स्मेल आ रहा है आगे लगता पावर। ऐसे चलाने में मेरा गाड़ी एवरेज अच्छा दे रहा है 15.1 पे चला गया है। हाँ तो प्लेन में रुकते हैं। यहाँ पे निशी लैंड था ना कुछ। हाँ अबे पत्थर है मैं कैसे लूं? राइट से किधर टच हो जाएगा? हाँ So Tana is riding Impulse now and Aman is riding Triumph Tiger. So we just had a photo shoot. I'll be sharing those pics. Let's reach Lonavala. It's 7:45. We need to reach there by 8:45. So last time when I was here, it was really bad roads. So work is still going on, but the roads now are much better. Tane gone mad. Tane on Harley. Lonavala. No, this is Kandala. Sorry, my mistake. There is a lot of winds. Come on. Nice bike. Hayabusa. बैग गिर गया था. बैग गिर गया था.
बैग गिर नहीं, बट स्टार्टिंग में फर्स्ट टर्न में
हाँ, बैग था वो ब्लैक कलर का कुछ था ना बीच में.
मैंने देखा ऐसा मेरे को लगा नीचे लाइट आ रही, मेरे को लगा एक एप्रिल वाला बस का आगे कट मार के गया.
हाँ.
मेरे को लगा वो डाल दिया होगा.
नहीं वो एक एक्टिवा वाले का बैग था, वो गिर गया. आ गया था
नहीं, वो तो गार्ड पे था, वो मैप देखा मैंने.
हाँ. हार्ली वाले कैसे चलाते थे? हार्ली वाले कैसे चला रहे थे?
फुल गेम था ब्रो, कैसा भी इसे में डालने वाले थे वो लोग.
चलो चलते हैं बुआची मिसल. टाइम हुआ है 8:17 एंड लेट्स सी इफ इट इज ओपन और नॉट. That's Faryaz Resort, one of the best resort in Lonavala. Buachi Missile, it's not yet open. Oh, it's open.
A few moments later.
So our breakfasting is done. Right now leaving for home. So it's around 9:40. I guess I will reach Vashi back by 11 o'clock. Let's see. Riding over here is best. Some patches are bad, but it's okay, we can manage it. So you can say 80% of the roads are better. RX100, best bike. I guess मैं बहुत ज़्यादा आगे आ गया हूँ. तनय and अमन are पीछे. So I would have to ride slow now. But these roads are so awesome that I don't feel like riding it slow. Right now I'll wait for them to come. So Aman has reached and Tanay is riding it slow because the impulse is having issue. reached the bikes. So Tanay is riding my Triumph Street Triple and I'm riding his Triumph Tiger. So I have finally reached home and just few meters away. So today's ride average I got 15.8. Let's park the bike. Bye everyone.